Are you looking for the best water dispensers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best water dispensers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Brio 500 Series Self-Cleaning Bottom Load Water Cooler. With a bottom-loading design and a self-cleaning function, this Brio water cooler is as appropriate for home as it is for the workplace. It dispenses cold, room temperature, and hot water. Upon receiving this unit, we instantly liked its sleek look. Its modern stainless steel design easily complements stainless kitchen appliances, but it's not all about the looks. The Brio is feature-rich. The hot water dispenser is outfitted with a child safety lock to protect kids from accidental hot water burns. Other than replacing the water bottle when it runs out, this model doesn't require much maintenance. All we had to do was enjoy the instantly cold water the Brio dispensed, at least until the water ran out. Though the bottle is hidden in the cooler's lower cabinet, a digital display will signal when the water bottle is almost empty and needs to be replaced. Despite their hefty size, the cooler accommodates 3 or 5 gallon bottles. We found that replacing them was a breeze. Adding an appliance to your kitchen can add to energy costs, so we like that the Brio is ENERGY STAR certified. For even more energy savings, the back panel has individual switches to control the hot water, cold water, and night light feature. To save energy, just switch off the features that aren't being used. It's also fairly quiet, so it won't disturb any household or business activities. Number 2. Valon A4 Bottom-Loading Bottled Water Cooler. Avalon's tri-temperature water cooler features on-off switches on each temperature toggle to conserve energy if the machine is not heating or cooling water. Even at full capacity, though, this unit is ENERGY STAR certified. The water cooler dispenses cold, cool, and hot water and has a child safety lock on the hot water button. When the container is running low, the empty bottle indicator light will illuminate. It also has a built-in night light, which comes in handy when dispensing middle-of-the-night glasses of water. Its removable drip tray makes this cooler easy to keep clean, though we noticed it can overflow. But that was the only downside to this cooler that we found. The convenient bottom-loading design makes it easy to load standard 3 or 5 gallon jugs, and that was just about the only setup that this water cooler required. Once we attached it, the Avalon took just 5 minutes to heat water to a tea steeping temp. Overall, this is a great water cooler at an affordable price. What our tester says: I have 3 kids, so I appreciate that the hot water safety valve provides an extra layer of security and the night light is bright enough to dispense water in the dark. Number 3. Avalon A12 Countertop Bottleless Water Cooler. To install this Avalon water cooler, all that's needed is a compatible existing sink water line and a wrench to disconnect the water supply line. Since it supplies unlimited filtered water, it's also an excellent choice for the home or office for those who want a bottleless water cooler with easy installation steps. This water cooler dispenses cold, hot, and room temperature water, all filtered through a dual filtration system. The filters include a sediment filter and a carbon block filter to remove contaminants like lead, particulates, chlorine, and unpleasant smells or tastes. Since this water cooler attaches underneath a sink, the setup is a lot more involved than the other options on our list. It's not too complicated, but it took about 30 minutes. Once installed, we liked not having to replace a large, and very heavy, water bottle and that we essentially had a never-ending supply of hot, cold, or room temperature water. It's also filtered so it can even help improve the quality of your home's water supply. If it's not great, you'll just have to buy replacements every now and again. Number 4. Brio Moderna Self-Cleaning Bottom-Load Water Cooler. Adjustable temperature settings set the Brio Moderna Bottom-Load Water Cooler dispenser apart from other options on this list. With this upgraded bottom-loading water cooler, you can choose your temperature for the cold and hot water spouts. The temperature ranges from a chilly 39 degrees Fahrenheit to a piping hot 194 degrees Fahrenheit to dispense water as cold or as hot as needed. With water this hot, the dispenser has a child safety lock on the hot water spout. Like most standard water coolers, it fits a 3 or 5 gallon bottle. A low bottle notification feature lets you know when it's running low so you won't be stuck without fresh water. To ensure the unit stays clean, this water cooler has a self-cleaning ozone feature that sanitizes the water tank and lines. On top of all its convenient features, the Energy Star certified unit is made of stainless steel for extra durability and a sleek look. Number 5. Brio 500 Series Countertop Water Cooler. For rooms with limited floor space, consider a compact countertop water cooler. The Brio top-loading countertop water cooler is an excellent choice for small break rooms, dorm rooms, and offices. Measuring only 20.5 tall by 12 inches wide by 15.5 inches deep, it has a small enough footprint to fit most spaces. Even though it's small, this water cooler doesn't lack in features. It dispenses cold, hot, and room temperature water on demand. To fit most cups, mugs, and water bottles, this countertop dispenser features a large dispensing area, similar to that of most full-size coolers. A removable tray makes this unit easier to clean, and a child safety lock prevents kids from playing with the hot water spout.